Spread across serene surroundings, Nimba offers therapies designed to help the body restore its natural balance. One such therapy is hydrotherapy, the healing power of water. Hydrotherapy uses controlled temperature and gentle water immersion to stimulate circulation, relax muscles, and support the body's natural detox process. As warm water surrounds the body, tension melts away, blood flow improves, and the nervous system begins to calm. Sometimes, the simplest elements of nature, like water, hold the most powerful healing potential. Experience hydrotherapy the Nimba way.